Hello and welcome everyone to Office Lighting Essentials. Let's get started. Think of a typical office cubicle, decorated with photos of family, a plant, or even a Lego Captain America. These personal touches aren't just for show. Employees spend long hours at their desks and seek comfort in customizing their environment. Now, imagine how profoundly lighting influences that same space. While lighting directly affects comfort, productivity, health, and well-being. If you're designing or installing lighting systems for office spaces, your choices will have a lasting impact. Understanding project stakeholders. NATE Office Lighting Project has multiple stakeholders. Initiators, often facility managers or executives. They may prioritize cost savings, aesthetics, energy efficiency, or brand image. Objectors, individuals concerned with the budget, disruptions, or aesthetic outcomes, like interior designers. Affected users, the employees working under the lights every day. Balancing these perspectives is essential to ensure both client satisfaction and optimal lighting performance. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each office is unique. Factors like company culture, work habits, and employee demographics all influence lighting preferences. But in large-scale projects, interviewing every employee isn't feasible. That's where adaptable technologies come in. Recommendations. Daylight harvesting. Use sensors to detect and respond to natural light levels. CCT tunable fixtures. Allow adjustment of warm to cool light based on time of day or task. Dimming systems. Let employees or systems adjust light output dynamically. Human-centric design, circadian lighting. Let's talk about circadian rhythms, the body's internal clock that regulates the sleep-wake cycle and is heavily influenced by light exposure. Design tip. Incorporate lighting that mimics natural daylight patterns. Cooler, bluer tones in the morning to promote alertness. Warmer tones in the afternoon and evening to support relaxation and transition. This approach boosts well-being, mood, and cognitive performance, a win for employers and employees alike. Today's lighting control systems offer advanced sensor-driven technology that aligns lighting conditions with our natural circadian rhythms throughout the day. These systems use a combination of tunable white LED fixtures, occupancy sensors, daylight sensors, and pre-programmed time-based controls to automatically adjust the intensity and color temperature of light. The result? Office environments that feel more natural, support alertness in the morning, and ease into warmer tones in the late afternoon to reduce fatigue. Practical considerations for design. When planning your lighting design, gather the following details: desk layout and orientation, amount and direction of natural light, operational hours, surface reflectivity, walls, desks, and flooring influence light dispersion. Flicker, the silent productivity killer. Flicker may be invisible, but its effects can be real, from eye strain and headaches to decreased concentration. Key flicker performance metrics: percent flicker, target below 5%. Flicker frequency, aim for above 1.25 kilohertz. Certifications to trust: IEEE 1789, ISO 9241-305/307, IDMS 1.03, Fixtures meeting these criteria can be labeled as flicker-free, a critical benefit for office environments. Switching and dimming, occupancy and vacancy sensors. Smart switching isn't just about energy savings, it's also about user experience. Types of sensors. Occupancy sensors turn lights on when motion is detected and off after a period of inactivity, best for shared areas like conference rooms, restrooms, and hallways. Vacancy sensors require manual activation but automatically turn off when no movement is detected. This gives users more control and reduces nuisance activations. Dimming benefits, reduces glare and visual fatigue, adapts light intensity to match the task, for example, brainstorming versus screen time. Enhances lifespan of LED fixtures. Tip: integrate sensors with daylight harvesting and CCT tuning for a complete adaptive system. Reflected glare and luminance control. Computer screens and lighting must coexist without conflict. Design guidelines. Max luminous intensity for any visible luminaire reflection, 300 candelas. Use indirect lighting to bounce light off the ceiling, creating uniform brightness without glare. Avoid spotlighting the ceiling. It creates hotspots and reflective glare on screens. Key criteria. Maintain balanced ceiling-to-task luminance ratios. Ensure the ceiling becomes the primary luminous surface in the visual field without becoming a glare source. Application categories: ambient and direct lighting. Ambient lighting covers general illumination of the space. Categories include indirect, direct-indirect, and recessed troffers. Direct lighting provides downward illumination, should de-emphasize ceiling brightness and minimize glare. Careful placement relative to desks and laptops is essential to avoid reflection. Office lighting affects everything from mood to health to productivity. As a contractor, specifying the right fixtures with the right controls and thoughtful design will ensure long-term client satisfaction and can even position you as a lighting consultant, not just an installer. Let Big Shine LED be your partner in delivering reliable, human-centric, and energy-efficient lighting for modern workspaces. Thank you for joining. For more information, please contact us or visit our website.